Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. My name is Jeff and I'm going to show you how to unspool a reel on the HD140 Linewinder. There's two different ways that you can do this. The first way, I'm going to show you how to use an empty bulk spool on your machine to take the line off, and you can save it for later if you need to. First thing to do is lower the reel bar and take the L handle out of the drive shaft. The HD140 comes with some handy storage clips over on the right side of the machine. I'm just going to clip that L bar into those clips. We're going to take our bulk spool holder shaft and take the wing nut off of the end and the centering washer off. Then we're going to take our empty bulk spool line and put the shaft through the spool and then the centering washer on the back side. That's going to help center this shaft as we use it. It goes into the drive shaft, and as you can see, the rod comes out of the back of the machine. And then we're going to apply the wing nut back on to the shaft. Once that's tight, we're going to take our reel, remove the rubber band that's holding the line on tight, and pull it off. And take the end of the line, and I use a small piece of tape just to hold the line onto the spool. You're going to put the reel in free spool and then turn the machine to the reverse position. A little bit of foot pressure and the spool starts turning and the line starts coming off the reel. If you're going to save this line for a future function, it's important that the rotation of the line match that's going onto the spool. And that's why we're in the reverse position now. The second way of unspooling your reel on the HD140 Linewinder is by using the cone point assembly in the low speed drive shaft position on the left side of the gearbox. We're going to insert that in the hole, and then we're going to use the stripper spool to take the line off. The stripper spool is mounted in between the support arm and that cone point assembly. It's important to note when you put this stripper spool on that the small part of the taper be up against the cork surface of the cone point assembly. Then you can take your reel and just tie a simple knot onto the stripper spool to start the line off. With the reel and free spool, you can turn the reel onto the reverse position and start the despooling process. A little bit of foot pressure is all it takes to get the spool turning. And remember, always start off slow, and you can always increase your speed as you become more familiar with the machine. There you have it. All the line is off our reel, and now it's ready to re-spool. I hope you enjoyed the rundown on how to despool your reel on the HD140 line machine. If you have any questions or concerns, call Bob at the factory, 201-699-4228, or you can always email him at linewinders@trianglesport.com. Thanks for watching. Remember, happy fishing and tight lines.